iPad is a productivity beast, but to unlock its full potential, you need a desktop setup. Today, I'm showing you how to connect your iPad to a monitor, keyboard, and mouse for the ultimate workstation. First, you'll need a reliable USB-C hub with power delivery. This is crucial because iPadOS is power hungry when connected to external displays. Once you plug in your peripherals, there's a catch you need to know about. If you're using an iPad with an A series chip, like this A16 model, iPadOS only supports the screen mirroring. This means you'll see exactly what's on your iPad screen, with black bars on the sides of your monitor. Unlike the M series iPads, A series chips do not support extended display or stage manager on external monitors. But don't worry, with the right settings and a solid keyboard mouse combo, you can still turn this into a highly efficient desktop experience. Let's dive into the setup. Here are all my peripherals: my iPad 11th generation A16, my mouse, keyboard, my HDMI monitor, and lastly, my USB-C hub. Let's start. First, I'll just plug in my charger, my mouse, keyboard, and lastly, monitor. Alright, now let's plug it into the iPad. You will now need to unlock it, where you will see this pop-up. Click Allow. This depends on your privacy settings, and most of the times, this doesn't even come. Once you click Allow, your iPad will now mirror its display to your monitors, and accessories will light up. Now, as I said before, and you can see that there are bars around the monitor. This is because I am using an A16 iPad without an M series chip. So it doesn't support true display extend like M series models, but rather just mirror with same 4:3 aspect ratio. Before buying an USB-C hub, be sure to check reviews and max resolution support. Only support 60 Hz refresh rate on external monitors, so it will default to the highest supported 60 Hz resolution. There are no options in settings to change resolution or refresh rate. To enable HDR if your display and hub supports it.